Hello, welcome to another episode of LCLXchange how-to videos. In this video, we will show you how to use LCLConnect to connect and share with people of supply chain and logistics industry online. What is LCLConnect? LCLConnect is a platform for anyone who is looking to advance their business or career in supply chain and logistics industry. This can include people from various professional backgrounds, such as import-exporters, consolidators, shippers, freight forwarders, sales managers, etc. LCLXchange offers a free membership to anyone who wants to create and maintain a professional profile online. Log in to www.lclxchange.com with your username and password. You can see the dashboard on login. Here you can check your offers, chat with fellow members, check your inbox or update your profile. Let us check out LCLConnect. On the left you will see the list of all networks that you are a part of. And on the right you will see posts of each network. You can check detail of any particular group here. Whether it is a public group or a private. How many members does it have? If you click on About, you will be able to see more details about this group. Who created it? When? And other details. Whether you are a shipper or a carrier, you are by default a member of LCLXchange network. Do you want to join more networks? Just click on the Join Network button here. You will see a list of all available network here. You will be able to see if it's a public group or a private group. You can click on About to know more details about the network. Let's go back. Please notice, for private group, there is no join button. The owner can only invite you to their group. Let me connect to a public network named Mythical Techies. Want to post something? Just click on what's on your mind. And you will be directed to an editor where you can insert text, images, tables, and even videos. Let us check other network. You can add comments to any post. Click on Comment, then add your comment and just type your message. Similarly, you can like or unlike any post. Do you want to create your own network? Simple. Just click on Add Network here, enter the name of the network, description, and just like that your group is created. It's now time to invite members to your group. I know shipper Nahil. Let me invite her to the group. And now is a member of your group. What if you have list of hundreds of your agents and partner whom you want to invite? Will you be inviting them one at a time? Not at all. You can simply enter their details in our template Excel spreadsheet and import the whole spreadsheet here. Let me show you. For all the members who have not yet registered on LCLXchange will get an email inviting them to your network. Just like this. We created this process as easy as possible so you keep doing what you do best, growing your business. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get update about our upcoming videos. If you have any questions, comment or suggestions, feel free to drop a line below. Thank you.